Vlogmas day 3, y'all. This is terrible. This is terrible. Do I just need to hold you? Okay. Turn my power lift gate off. I'm just gonna hold you, okay? I tried to set you up on a tripod. I try things. I don't talk usually before my coffee, so now that I have my coffee in my system, we can talk. Yeah, so I just made my bulletproof coffee this morning and then my electrolyte water. That is all I will eat until Lord knows when. I don't know. Our schedule has been so crazy at the shop. Like, there was one day, it was like 2:40 in the afternoon, and we both were like, we haven't taken a break to eat, like, at all. And then there's another day where it's 11:30. I was like, yeah, we're slow, I can eat. So I don't know when I'll eat today. But I did pack my lunch, very crude. I don't even portion it. I portion it at the shop. I just throw it all in my bag. Because if I'm hungry, I want a little bit more to eat. And like I told you guys, I'm trying to stay away from those snacky foods. So I'm trying to take more of like the salami, the cheese, the pecans, the yogurt, all that good stuff. So yeah, I am just sitting here waiting for my sister. We take turns carpooling together because it's a jaunt out to our shop. I'm just gonna sit here, listen to the radio. Yeah. I don't have much of these nuts left, so I think I'm just gonna use the rest. Maybe, we'll see. No, I'm gonna use about half. Yeah, I'm gonna use about half of them. I don't know if you can see it. This is the yogurt I'm having. The keto ratio. I usually just bring this whole thing and I cut off a few ounces, because one serving is 1 ounce, so I usually have 2 servings of it for my guesstimation. I don't know. All right, hard salami, 1 serving of this. It always smells like fart. It's hard salami always smells like fart when you open it. 1 serving is 9 slices, so I'm gonna have a full serving. And then I found this in my bag. It's dark chocolate, coconut, and almond sliders. I got these at, I think, TJ Maxx or Marshall's. I don't remember. This is the last one though. I thought I was out, and then I just found it in my bag. I try not to have many of these things. Obviously, the keto sweet treats can stall you. So I won't buy these again. They're fantastic though. It has cane sugar in it, so not my favorite, but it tastes really good. So I'm gonna eat this too. Deputy. Okay, dinner time. I have a call with a coaching client at 6:30. No, hi. At 6:30, and it is 5 o'clock now. This is dirty. You just get to go right there. So, dinner for tonight needs to be quick and simple. I know in my day 2 of Vlogmas, I said that I wanted to do like a baked chicken and roasted veggies. I saved that specifically for nights like these where we just get really busy. And my coaching calls usually last like 45 minutes to an hour. It just kind of depends. So it would just be way too late to make dinner because he goes to bed at like 8 something. So I'm like, I'll just, it's usually earlier than 8:30, kid.
8:20.
So I want to make dinner before my call so that it's ready. Yeah. Tonight's dinner is going to be, pardon me, baked chicken. The boyfriend has requested that the chicken is like, I always do pork rinds, obviously, so we have to grind, that fell. We got to grind up some pork rinds, and then we also have to, we're going to like coat it in mayo. That's hot. We're going to coat it in mayonnaise instead of like an egg wash or anything like that. So yeah, that shouldn't take too long. If you guys have not invested in these, please do. Link down below in the description. It's absolutely amazing. And I just bought this once, and I have just kept the tub, and then I just buy the big bags of pork rinds, and I refill it, and I refill it, and I refill it. So we're gonna make our coating rinds. I usually like to add like double the amount, like half and half, like half pork rinds, half Parmesan, grated Parmesan cheese. We have that much. Let's do onion powder. Garlic powder, garlic powder, garlic powder. Found you. And then pink Himalayan salt. Okay, chicken time. So we made the chicken bacon ranch casserole the other day. And we have 1, 2, and 3 chicken breasts left over. So what I do with our chicken breasts, you guys get to go sit over there for just a minute, is I cut off these weird parts, by weird part, and then flat palm, I half these. You're gonna get a weird angle here, but that's what works. And the most difficult part is getting it even. And then, ta-da! See, I always do that. Like, one's a little weirder, but you know what? My family's used to it by now. Line your baking sheet with parchment paper. I preheated the oven to 375 degrees. It is assembly time. Can you see this? Perfect. I just bloop the mayonnaise. Bloopity doop. I really usually like to use Duke's mayo, but this is what we have. It's got soybean oil, like, blech. But again, use what you have. It's got 0 carbs, it says. Dredge your chicken in your mayo. And then possibly pick it up. There we go. You're gonna get really gross and disgusting with this. Oh, my Lanta. But just make sure, oh. I always have a wet hand and a dry hand. Okay. Now we go into the dry. Yeah, I mixed that, right? I did. Okay, good. Look, Kylo. Boom. Shakey shake. Boom. All right, this is going in the oven. I don't remember how long I usually put it in there, like 25 minutes? Usually like 25 minutes. I saw a really cool new way to cut peppers. I saw it on TikTok. So you kind of like flip it upside down, go with the lines. And then you don't have to like, what? Oop, isn't that wild? Like, look at that. Well, I guess that one I went a little too deep in, both of these actually. But like, boom. Oops, messed that one up. That's perfect though. I'm gonna put Italian seasoning on this and I'm trying really hard not to cry. Boom. But then also some of the garlic. Okay, while dinner is doing its thing in there, I am gonna go get my office set up for my call tonight. Oh. Okay, I'm all set up. Let's go check on food. That was at $4.75, not $3.75. So that all is cooking very quickly. Okay, I'm gonna go eat and get ready for.
Oh.
What?
You got a hair in my eye.
I want to go eat and get ready for the call. All right, so I just got done with my coaching call and I think I'm going to end the vlog there. That was a really, really good session. Got some really good stuff to look into and all the good things. I love it. I love it. I love it. But yeah, I'm going to end that there and I will see you guys for day 4 of Vlogmas. Bye.